Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Avenger battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and protective gloves. Before starting, confirm your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for your protection. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Locate your Dodge Avenger's battery, which is typically found under the hood. Using your wrench, loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. This is crucial for safety. Next, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal cable. If terminals are corroded or stuck, a battery terminal puller can make the job much easier. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. Unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures it in place. Batteries can be quite heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift it out carefully to avoid injury. Once the old battery is out, gently place your new battery into the battery tray, ensuring it sits flush and securely. Finally, let's connect your new battery. Attach the positive terminal cable first, tightening it securely with your wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal cable and ensure it's also tight. Resecure the battery hold-down clamp to prevent any movement during driving. Once everything is connected, start your Dodge Avenger to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.